इंडिया स्पीक्स डेली को सब्सक्राइब करें, उसके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं यदि आपको इसकी पत्रकारिता पसंद हो। धन्यवाद।
Welcome to India Speaks Daily. I am Mr. Narayankar. As you know, friends, a frenzied mob had beaten to death two sadhus in Palghar. Days after blood-curdling lynching, Shekhar Gupta's The Print published an article. In the article, the print claims that the villagers had lynched the sadhus out of fear of their liquor being stolen. So the website is giving an economic angle to the lynching and denying the communal angle. So if one goes by the print's logic, one must ask the portal why the left liberal cabal makes such a loud noise over cow-related violence, which happens mostly for economic reasons, because Hindus consider cattle as an asset. So the entire logic of the print falls flat, because on one hand the Lutyens media smears Gaurakshaks, and on the other it gives clean chit to the Christian converted tribals by citing it was their economic plight that had resulted in the lynching of sadhus. The print also asserts that the lynching was not communal, as there were no Muslims in the locality. So according to the print, an incident only becomes communal if Muslims are the main perpetrators of the violence. This really sounds ridiculous. The print also claims that the Christian converted tribals do not let any outsider to interfere in their customs and traditions, and hence they lynched the sadhus for their alleged interference. If these claims are true, the print should answer why then conversions carried on by Christian missionaries is not an evidence of interference in the Hindu customs and traditions. This is sheer double standards. The liberando always turn a blind eye on the crimes of the minorities, but blame the Hindu victims for their own deaths. So the print is exactly doing the same in Palghar case by blaming the sadhus for their own death. This is nothing but continuous attempts of the left liberal cabal's propaganda that Hindus can never be a victim of the communal violence in India. Wake up, O Hindus, and fight this nefarious propaganda and defeat it. Enough is enough. Jai Hind.